I'm Trinity.
I'm Tora!
Our project began by analyzing the age-old problem of inanely complicated toy packaging. We searched for an innovative solution that could elegantly solve this issue. Our final answer could change toy shopping forever. And how big is the opportunity? Well, there's 1.2 pounds of cardboard, 1 ounce of plastic, several cable ties, and some tape on this toy alone. The packaging actually outweighs the toy. Even so, the numbers may not sound like much, but if you sell 1 million of these, that's a lot of cardboard. Here's a diagram showing a breakdown of the packaging in the current state and the proposed state. There's a 76% reduction in package-related waste in the proposed state. And when you consider that the bag will probably be reused, that number drops even lower. We reviewed some existing solutions and traced the path of the waste generated by our Christmas present. The wrapping paper trash ended up in a landfill. The cardboard and plastic were at least partially recycled and into post-consumer recycled product packaging. And now, Will. What's up?
Once we selected toy packing for our topic, we did some research. We went to Toys R Us and bought a toy with a lot of packaging for an example of a problem we are trying to get rid of. Then we looked on the internet to see how the trash from the toy would be handled. After we made our solution, we went to Avery Dennison, who makes toy packaging for business. We shared our idea with the Director of Marketing, John Rowley. He told us about some of the concerns that toy makers face in getting their product to the consumer. We shared our idea with Dan Riandu, who is the Packaging Business Development Manager for Avery Dennison, who provided additional input. We took a trip to Toys R Us and talked to the store manager, Dave. He shared our solution with the store manager, Dave. He told us that when toys are demonstrated, people usually buy more of them. Trinity will now explain more details of what this might be like in a store like Toys R Us.
Okay, we're all familiar with the current process. A child enters the store. The child sees a packaged toy. The child likes the toy because of the colors and decoration. The child picks up the box and leaves with this box. So our solution is that a child sees the toy and the other accessories on the interactive display. The child plays with the toy and the other accessories. The child likes it because of actually playing with it and interacting with the toy. So then the child will either take a slip with the number on it to the front counter or the back counter. With the back counter, they'll wait for the toy and then get the toy in a plastic baggie. Or they will, when they go to the front counter, they will take it to the drive-thru and then again get the toy in this plastic baggie. So then, as you can see, the difference in packaging. Next, we'll be talking about the pros and cons of this solution. So, we took an estimate of a crushed doll box and compared it to a crushed plastic bag. And we multiplied it by 94 million, which is the Barbie dolls sold a year. And we ended up with about 3 billion cubic inches. That's the landfill space that we're saving per year. So, so how big is 3 billion cubic inches? 92-story houses, 20 Olympic-sized pools, and 1.3 Comet ponds. So we have a couple other pros, and, well, actually a lot, and more cons. If the idea was implemented well, hopefully the pros will outweigh the cons. We're pretty sure that they would. So, thank you to thank you to Toys R Us, Avery Jennison, Boys and Girls Club, our YouTube viewers, and our coaches.
And the FFL.
And the FFL!
The first Lego League.
FLL!
Sorry, the FLL. The first Lego League.
Yeah.
It's an acronym.